Best Beginner Motorcycle Yamaha MT-03. Yamaha, a name synonymous with innovation and performance in the world of motorcycles, has consistently delivered exceptional two-wheelers for riders of all levels. Among their offerings, the Yamaha MT-03 stands out as an excellent choice for beginners looking to embark on their journey into the world of motorcycling. In this comprehensive article, we'll explore why the Yamaha MT-03 is considered one of the best beginner motorcycles, examining its features, performance capabilities, and why it's an ideal starting point for new riders. Yamaha, a legacy of excellence. Yamaha is a brand that needs no introduction in the motorcycling world. With a rich history of producing iconic bikes, Yamaha has earned a reputation for quality, reliability, and innovation. The MT Series, a bold and versatile lineup. The Yamaha MT Series, also known as the Masters of Torque, is a diverse range of motorcycles designed to cater to riders seeking a thrilling yet accessible riding experience. The MT-03, with its compact size and friendly performance, epitomizes this philosophy. A responsive twin-cylinder engine. At the heart of the Yamaha MT-03 is a peppy 321cc parallel twin engine. This engine configuration strikes a balance between power and manageability, offering a responsive and user-friendly performance curve, which is perfect for novice riders. Naked bike aesthetics. The MT-03 sports the signature naked bike look, characterized by its minimalist design and exposed mechanical components. This styling not only looks attractive but also makes maintenance and customization easier for beginners. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing in at just over 370 pounds, 168 kilograms, the Yamaha MT-03 is a lightweight motorcycle, making it easy to handle for riders with limited experience. Its agile nature allows for confident maneuvering through city streets and winding back roads. Comfortable riding position. Yamaha has ensured that the MT-03 provides a comfortable riding position. The upright and slightly forward-leaning stance offers excellent control and reduces fatigue, even during long rides. Ideal for commuting. As a beginner, the likelihood is that you'll use your motorcycle for daily commuting. The Yamaha MT-03 excels in this regard, thanks to its nimble handling, compact size, and urban-friendly performance. Safety features. Yamaha has incorporated modern safety features into the MT-03, such as ABS, anti-lock braking system, which enhances braking performance and provides added confidence for riders, especially in emergency situations. Room for personalization. Yamaha offers a range of accessories and parts that allow riders to customize their MT-03 to suit their preferences. This not only adds to the bike's appeal but also encourages personal ownership and pride. Joining the Yamaha community. Owning a Yamaha motorcycle, especially one as iconic as the MT-03, is an invitation to join a global community of riders. Yamaha's commitment to rider camaraderie and support ensures that new riders feel welcomed and part of something bigger. Conclusion. The Yamaha MT-03 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to join the world of motorcycling with one of the most respected and renowned brands in the industry. Its blend of approachable power, lightweight design, urban-friendly agility, and the unmistakable Yamaha quality make it an exceptional choice for beginners. Yamaha's dedication to excellence and their commitment to fostering a strong community of riders align perfectly with what new riders need in their first motorcycle experience. The MT-03 offers a gateway to the thrill of riding while providing a platform for growth and skill development. For those considering their first motorcycle, the Yamaha MT-03 stands as an emblem of quality and performance in the world of two-wheelers. It's more than just a bike, it's the beginning of a lifelong passion for motorcycling, a journey filled with adventures, camaraderie, and the unmistakable joy of the open road.